We're playing stairs, and we got Batman over here playing with me, and also Vivica, but I have no flipping idea where she is. You little lollipop. Okay. Lollipop, lollipop. Okay. Dang, bro, my throat's so sore from the last video. Alright, let's go.
I'm the braver one.
Don't trust her, she isn't.
Should we go?
Yeah, way more braver one.
No. Can you close that?
Yeah, see? I'm the way more braver one.
Okay, wait. Let me go ahead of you and I'll prove to you.
Wait, Vivica? Vivica? Vivica?
Yes?
Come down here.
No, I'm scared.
No, come down here, please. No, I'm serious. I legit just saw something move. Tell me if any of y'all saw... I swear that was someone. I swear this was someone.
Here, 300% extreme flash volume with 100% insoluble fiber.
I swear I'm on something, man. I'm kidding. I hope... yeah. Girl, get out. It was just the thing. It was just the can. Now get out before I kill you.
No.
My gosh. Keep these open. Oh my god, wait for me. We're busy just scared. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, we went up like 2 more floors.
More like 3.
Well, yeah. Girl, if you don't hurry.
Anar, I'm scarred.
See, I'm the way more tougher one. She's a little brat.
Wait, Dakota, is my dress still on?
Yes.
Can you see underneath?
No.
Good.
Talking about the more braver one. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, we're good. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Oh my god. This is why I don't like the stairs one. Why can't we just play a solo? Ah. Whoever created short but creepy stories, can you please like make the single player ones have like at least 2 player? Cause I don't think anyone is like man enough unless they Bob the Builder, or unless they Bob the Rock, or they just make I don't know, or you're just really tough. I don't know. Just please make one. Oh my god. I was legit trying to say something. I was legit trying to sponsor something. Oh my god, my thing just glitched for a second. Oh my god. Bruh, Vivica. I swear, I'm gonna murder you. Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys, I just got something really weird and goofy. Hold on, Vivica, stop. Vivica, if you don't stop, I'm gonna murder your whole entire family. I'm just talking about murder. Look what I got. What the heck? Why do I need this?
It won't even let me in.
You're too fat. Go through. Don't be shy. Bro, it's such a... Oh, God. This is such a... This is going to be probably my most shortest video because I am too scared. It's already been like 5 minutes. We all know we're going to wuss out. We're too scared for the stairs. Ah! Oh, my heart just raced. Mom. Dad. My God, get away. Ooh, minor difficulties. Okay, guys, it's a long hallway. We're good. We know we're going to see the... Come here. Come here. Come here, face. You want to beat me up? You want to beat me up? Where is it?
Last time there was a face.
I don't know. Maybe she got tired of you yelling at her.
You're screaming like that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I think something bad.
Bro, dude, my dad was worried about me.
So far, so good.
My dad was just legit. He legit came out of his room. And he was like, why'd you scream like that? I thought something bad happened to you.
Next time you scream like that, laugh afterwards so I know you're okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright,
Love you too, Dad. I'm not afraid to say I love you to my dad. Yeah, I'm tough. I'm kidding. Girl, if you do not get up, I'm legit gonna tell all my subscribers about your parents. Ah! We're good. We're good.
stop.
We're good.
Don't do that on purpose.
No, I didn't. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're We're good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoever has headphones, I am very sorry. Major loudness. Oh my God. And after my dad told me if I scream, laugh after if nothing bad happened, and then I laughed after, he said, "Don't play with you." That's why I chicken out, bro. I scream too much. I go, "Oh," I'll start saying, "Oh, can you see it?" I start singing that song. Oh, Vivica, 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 close the door. Okay, look at me, Vivica. Look at me, Vivica. Vivica, look at me.
Yeah.
We're leaving.
No.
Yes. I'd rather play that doll one, okay? Actually, you know what? Actually, I'm probably gonna still play it. No, actually, yeah. Comment if you want me to... Oh my God, really? Comment if you want me to play the dollhouse in this game. And also like and subscribe if you like my channel. Vivica, I swear I'm gonna crack your neck in the middle of the night. Wait, that probably makes you guys not want to subscribe to me, actually. I take all that back. Vivica,
What?
where the heck are you?
So mean. Ahead of you.
Bro.
I even went behind the door already.
I swear. Vivica.
Okay, I stopped.
You're so mean.
Okay, I stopped hints I'm in the closet.
Hint, I'm in front of you.
What?
She said, hint, I'm in the closet. And then I said, hint, I'm in front of you. Oh, wait, puppet. Miss? Is she here? Oh, there she is. Oh my god, beautiful as always. Love this woman.
Wait, so you went ahead of me?
Yeah, I only went one staircase above you. I love seeing this puppet girl. She's my favorite. Seen the puppet girl, remember?
It's not doing it.
Oh. Well, she probably likes me. Oh, okay, nothing. Thought there was gonna be something.
Which ancestral snakes called the moles.
You're gonna get hurt.
I actually
Too bad for you. I have a health mask. What?
I didn't get hurt.
Oh. Good for you. Vivica, I beg you, can we please stop? I'm literally really scared. Please. I beg, have mercy. I'm legit gonna leave you. Alright, I'm leaving. Even us, my viewers. Alright. Oh, wait, what happened? What did I actually do to you? Oh, damn. She left. I wasn't even going to leave. But, alright. Alright, so comment if you want me to play the dollhouse in this game. Don't mind this one. Don't mind this game. I don't really like the game that much, but she does. Which I have no idea, because Meep City's way better. But whatever. Like and subscribe, and that's pretty much all. Oh yeah, if you don't like or subscribe, I will haunt you in your nightmares, and you guys know what I look like. I don't think you guys want that.
And there's also going to be a wiggly spider on your face.
Whatever she just said. What was I just about to say? Have a good night or a good day. Bye.